Hey, welcome to my page. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll be doing a breakdown of Cadjpy right now, and I really do hope that this breakdown does help somebody watching right now. I hope it helps you watching. You know, to be honest, if one person messages me and says to me, "Hey, Toby, your analysis, your markup really helped me," hey, I'll be so happy. I promise. I'll be so happy. Before I go into this markup, I just feel the need to say something. And it's basically this is if you have something in your heart that you want to do, if you have something deep in your heart that you want to do, you need to stop thinking about it and do it. Because the thing is this, I promise you, 99% of the people that you think have it all put together, they don't. Every single one of us is trying to figure out life. Everyone's trying to figure out life. Even the people that look like they have it all together, they are trying to figure out life. They don't feel strange, don't feel weird for desiring certain things and wanting certain things. Because, hey, at the end of the day, we're only living this life once. We're not doing it twice, it's just once. If there's something in your heart that you want to do it. Like, don't let those negative talks in your head basically convince you not to do what you know you want to do, or not to do what you know you should be doing. Hey, what's the worst that could happen? We're only doing this once, you're not doing this twice. This thing called life, we're only doing it once. I'll be starting on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, let me do this. So it's very easy to, I guess, tell your setups when you can tell a story with the trade setup that you're looking at. So for me, is this. If we're starting on the weekly time frame, of a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, not quite a higher high yet, but a higher low, a higher high. Then we had a low, a lower high, a lower low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a low. Now, like we had exactly here, where we had a low, a lower high, a lower low. Now we have a higher low, a higher high, a low. We have a lower high. Now we want a lower low. So basically, that's what the weekly is showing you, that the market is basically due for a lower low on the weekly time frame. So let's take this off first and go down to the daily. On the daily time frame, you can see this. Let's start right here. A low, a lower high, a lower low, a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high, That's like an equal high. You could call that. Now a lower low. So once this becomes a lower low, this becomes a lower high. Now we need a lower high, then a lower low. So basically this is the story the daily time frame is telling you, that the market is due for a lower low. Let's take this off right now. Go to the 4 hour time frame. So now we have the weekly and the daily both bearish. Now the 4 hour time frame, we have a high, we have a low. Now this becomes lower high, this becomes a lower low. I guess we had a tiny high there, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we had a low. Once this became the low, this became the lower high, this became the lower low. It pulled back up, we had a pullback. Then the 4 hour time frame became bullish, because once we have a higher low and a higher high above the last lower high, 4 hours bullish. So right now, before we can take a trade, we need the 4 hour time frame to basically shift structure from bullish to bearish for the potential move to the bottom. So this is a story 4 hours telling us right now. Let's take this off. So right now, this is where we focus. You don't do anything until whatever it is we're waiting for in there pans out. So now we have the higher low, and the higher high. What we need is for this to shift here and go bearish. When it does that, we just wait for a pullback. Are we getting for the sells here or wherever it pulls back to, and keep going down? Now that's a possibility. If that doesn't happen, this can also happen. We can expect the 4 hour time frame to at least get up here, still keeping the bullish, I guess the bullish pattern, the bullish wave, still staying bullish to make a higher high here, then come back down to break. Because once it makes this higher high, this becomes a higher low. So if that happens and the market doesn't keep flying up and we still want to get in for the sells, or we're still anticipating the sells, we're just waiting for the break of the last higher low, a pullback, and a continuation. So basically for Cadjpy, that's what I'm looking at, that's what I'm expecting, that's what I'm anticipating. I'll definitely be updating my Instagram and my Telegram as well. I hope someone like that, I hope that helps somebody. I hope that, I'll say I hope that gives somebody clarity. You know, I hope it gives one person clarity. If it gives one person clarity, hey, job done. I'm happy. But yeah, let me know. Let me know if I should share more setups like this. Give me your feedback in the comments. Let me know what you think about this breakdown. Let me know what you think. You know, you can send me your chat markups in the DMs. Let me know what you think as well. Boom. Hey, I always wanted to do that. Boom.